Alright, so here's what I got so far. I got this guy cleaned up pretty well with the grinder. Um, I mean, if a person, looks even just a little bit closely, they can still see the area in there where the brazing was done, but for the most part, I would call that to be much, much better. I had this nasty generic chrome paint sitting in the garage that seems to go on pretty darn thick, so I thought that would be a really good thing to get, some sort of filler, primer, base coat, whatever you want to call it, in there, and then I'll try to go over it with something else later so it doesn't look ridiculous, but you can still see, the braze underneath. I figure I'll leave that alone, give it as much strength as I can in the process. And I've got the stud cut off of the side completely. What I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of half-inch diameter steel and just make a little part for it, a little stud for it, and a little sleeve to actually weld to the side of this boss here. And then just drill a hole through the boss and stick stick that rod in, weld it on the back side, and then weld the whole assembly to this oil tray. So what I'm probably going to do here, once I get done with this video, is I'm going to put this in the little pizza oven and start cooking this, because hopefully I can have the this boss made up pretty easily, and then I can just weld this together here in, I don't know, an hour, 2 hours or so. But it shouldn't take much to make that. So, and this guy, I just spent a little bit of time grinding on this to make it look a little bit more respectable, closer to what the original part is or was. So it's not exactly what the original was, but considering, what I'm doing here, this will be, more than satisfactory. Oh, and I almost forgot. Again, another shout out to Kimber Zellick. The way I was able to get these indentions, these points on here for the bolt holes, was compliments of the transfer screws that Kimber Zellick was kind enough to donate to me. So I did that, there again some time ago. I just haven't, I didn't make a video of it, or didn't get around to making a video of it. But anyways, so all this part needs yet is to have these holes drilled out and a hole drilled through here for the hinge pin for the door or cover. So anyways, I had meant to, just kind of keep this as one long video and just kind of keep hitting the pause button, but I kind of goofed up and accidentally shut the phone off after I hit the pause button on the first go around, so I kind of blew that one. But at any rate, I think you guys pretty well get the gist of what I'm going to try and do here. So I'm going to stop this video here and make this part 2, and get on with the game plan that I've got, and then hopefully maybe part 3 later tonight to kind of show you guys the progress I've made. So till later.